Find out how to sell your way to your first million. How to become a top-notch salesperson. Do you want to become a human cash-generating sales machine? Do you want to convert uninterested prospects to highly responsive paying customers and cash in your way to selling success? Dear future sales superstar, do you realize that you can earn thousands, even millions of dollars, just by selling alone? Well, you know Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. And they both built an empire selling computers. How did they start? All they have is a few innovative ideas, the right attitude, and the will to succeed. Just like them, you can start building your own empire too. You can become a top-notch salesperson if you really want to. First, you have to know who your customers are. Formulate your goal. You've got to possess the winning attitude of a top-notch salesperson. You also need to know how to respond to objections. You've got to know how to properly close a deal. You'll be amazed at what this report reveals. Just click the link below to get instant access to the following information. 1. How to understand and analyze your selling market. 2. How to focus on your market. 3. The 10 buying drives. 4. The proper way to set up and realize your selling goals. 5. How to fully enhance your face-to-face selling skills. 6. How to fire up people's motivation to buy. 7. How to stay well organized to make selling a breeze. 8. When to talk and when to be silent during the sales process. 9. How to turn your customer's objection into positive energy outright. 10. How to influence your customer to your way of thinking. 11. The proper way to say no to your customer. 12. How to make your customers buy from you without even asking. 13. How to ask questions that produce sales. 14. How to get people to buy from you even if your product is more expensive. 15. 10 important questions to guide you in your selling goals. 16. The effective sales tools you can use to achieve your goals. 17. The importance of setting smaller goals. 18. The vital qualities of a top-notch salesperson. 19. How to cleverly handle objections. 20. How to evaluate your target market. 21. How to segregate your selling market. 22. How to present and actually sell your product to the market. 23. How to attract your customers' attention like bees to honey. 24. How to build your customers' interest. 25. How to arouse your customers' desire. 26. How to goad your customers into action. 27. The proper way to close a deal. 28. The various deal closing techniques. 29. The crucial steps to an effective closing. 30. How to handle cruel customers. 31. The proper timing in closing the deal. And a whole lot more. Just click the link below to get instant access. Everybody can become a top-notch salesperson. Be the salesperson that everybody loves to buy from. Special limited time offer. For a limited time, you can buy Selling Your Way to Your First Million, How to Become a Top-Notch Salesperson for only $17. 100% money-back guarantee. 90-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you do not find this book helpful in developing your skills of becoming a top-notch salesperson, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we will refund your money immediately. No questions asked.